Are you someone who wants to build your career into investment banking or wanted to build your career towards finance side, equity research side or FP&A side? Then this is a course which is exclusively designed for you guys, where we are gonna be covering not only the things related to projections, but we will be also doing the valuations of Indian companies as well as global companies which are there. Now let us go through the curriculum which is there for a financial modeling. What all things are going to be covered in our classes. So this is a 7 days rigorous class program which we are going to be covering. Now you'll be able to find this course under two modules, in terms of either you can take a live classes or you can take a recorded classes. If you take a recorded classes, can you easily switch to live classes? The answer is yes. When the live batch starts, our team or you will be getting an update from our team so that you can join the live classes as well. Now, once you have registered for this course, our course is going to be divided into the 7 different days or 7 different parts, right? On the first day, we will be covering and we'll be talking about how to calculate a beta, because beta calculation is something which is one of the most important parameter whenever we are doing a valuation or whenever we are understanding any of the companies. With this, we'll be also understanding how does a normal distribution is formed. We'll be understanding what are the basics of financial modeling, some of the golden rules of financial modeling which is followed globally. With this, we'll be also making a line of best fit, variance analysis, and one of the best thing which you would love is a share price prediction, right? How the share price is predicted based on the historic method. On a day 2, we will be start analyzing the financial statements of a company. Now, of course, after each and every day of the work is completed, you will be given some of the assignments. So please do not think that this is only a 7 days workshop. No. After the session is done, trust me, you need to put your efforts, you need to put your time to ensure that you are going to be completing the homework parallelly. If you want to ensure that you are going to be selected for the best companies or best IB firms, you need to complete the homework and you need to prepare your own projection report or own financial report, which is going to be shared after your course completion with the companies where you're applying for interviews. Now, after that is done, we'll be teaching you about understanding of financial statements, how the balance sheet is supposed to be read, how you're supposed to read the P&L, how you're supposed to read the cash flow statements, income statements, and all the notes which are there. Next is market price analysis, WACC, how to calculate weighted average cost of capital, and of course, ratio analysis is one of the important parameter which you should be aware of. Day 3 section, we'll be moving to the valuation basics. What are the methods of valuation? How to derive a valuation of any of the company? How to do a valuation of service-based industry? And working on projections, how to derive a projection, how to do a projection for revenue, for income statements or balance sheets, whatever is going to be there. Day 4 and day 5 is one of the most important day for our class, which is gonna be, we are gonna be doing a live financial modeling for 2 important companies. One is an Indian based company and second is a global company. Indian company, we are gonna be making a projection report for MRF, and for the global companies, we are gonna be doing for the Amazon, your favorite, I hope so. Right? With this, after this is done, you will be given an assignment to prepare your own, please, I'll repeat, you are required to prepare your own financial report and submit it to us so that we can see that how you have prepared the same and you can share it whenever you are applying for a job interviews. Next, after that is done, another methods of doing evaluation, we are going to be covering the same: company comparable and precedent transaction analysis. We are going to be covering the same in the day 6. And not only with this, we will be also helping you out with the interview guidance for investment banking and equity research. We'll be also giving you the resume based guidance, how your resume is supposed to be made if you're applying for IB firms or if you're targeting for the domains out. Plus also we'll be having a live mentor session who is gonna be working into the IB domain so that he or she can guide you really well, because they're already working into this industry and they might also help you out to refer your CVs as well, provided you have prepared your own reports, right? So that is something which is there. Plus also we'll be giving a lot of assignments after this course is completed so that we will ensure that you are gonna be making the perfect financial model wherever you're gonna be sitting for interviews. In a lot of interviews like FDD, IB, equity research, or somewhere related to your domains into FP&A also. This course is going to be really helpful to you guys. Trust me, by the end of a 7th day, you will be in a position where you will be easily able to read the financials, you'll be easily able to project the numbers, you'll be easily able to forecast the things out, and you'll be also easily able to make the projection reports as well. Right? So what are you waiting for? Please register for this course. The link for the course is in description. And if you still have any queries, you can reach out to our team. Right? They'll be really happy to help you out. Or if you have any or more queries out, you can also reach out to me on Telegram with the name of CA_Shivam_Palan. Right? So this is my Telegram ID, which is there. You can definitely reach out to me. I'll be really happy to help you out with whatever queries you have. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, because trust me, by the end of this class, we will be sharing the reports with our students, with our friends, and they'll be like, something is gonna be different as compared to others. And please do understand, this course is required where you are supposed to have a very basic knowledge of Excel, right? Even if you don't have, we are going to be teaching you from a scratch, but you'll be needing two things. Number one, Excel, and second is an open mindset where you're ready to learn some new things out, right? See you inside the class. Thanks for watching this video, and do share this video with your friends. Bye-bye.